Hello everyone! Today we will be discussing the importance of foreplay in your marital relationship. I consider myself a specialist in mental health, a sex therapist, and a relationship therapist. Let us now understand what is foreplay. It is essentially the activities you engage in with your partner before actually having intercourse. It involves actions that prepare your partner for intimacy, bringing you closer to them both emotionally and physically. This includes showing your love, physical touches, kisses, and other affectionate gestures. All these actions constitute foreplay. Although engaging in thorough foreplay is not very common among couples, but its significance adds an extra cherry to the cake. Engaging in foreplay helps to build a stronger, more intimate connection with your partner, which is crucial for a healthy relationship. So the next time you're with your partner, remember to introduce foreplay to significantly enhance your intimacy and relationship satisfaction. Apart from women, this activity is equally necessary for your male partner, since a half-cooked food is always tasteless. Hence, the act can feel very mechanical. It is essential for both partners' bodies to be prepared for intimacy. For men, while they might not always feel the need for this preparation, it is ultimately crucial for them as well. When men receive foreplay and are treated well, their bodies feel involved and experience your act at fullest. Now let's talk about significance of foreplay for women and how it ignites her body to seek the pleasure from you. Women's bodies take a bit longer to get activated during sexual activity. This is because sexual pleasure or sexual enjoyment is not just organ-specific like men. Pleasure or sexuality for men is primarily focused on one part of their body, their private part, where everything seems to be happening. They feel pleasure and excitement there. On the other hand, a woman's body is more intricate. Her entire body is a zone of pleasure and excitement. Every part of her body feels this sensation, and it needs foreplay to get activated. Foreplay is crucial because it helps women experience arousal throughout their bodies, making their sexual encounters more satisfying and enjoyable. It's not just about physical stimulation, but also about creating a mental and emotional connection, which is vital for overall sexual pleasure. So next time you're with your partner, remember the importance of foreplay. It's the key to unlocking a more fulfilling and intimate sexual experience for both partners. Apart from physical stimulation, it's about creating a connection and exploring your partner's body in various ways. When it comes to intimacy, responsibility plays a significant role. If you want to fully involve your partner, then engaging in foreplay becomes essential. It's about showing love, touching, kissing, exploring their body, and helping them relax. These elements are crucial for a smooth transition into sexual activity. Directly jumping into sexual activity without proper preparation can lead to discomfort for women, making the experience less enjoyable and hindering their ability to fully experience pleasure. Unfortunately, some people underestimate the importance of foreplay, which can lead to dissatisfaction in their sex lives. Without proper foreplay, their partners may not reach their peak points of pleasure, and their sexual arousal might suffer. Therefore, responsibly navigating foreplay is essential for a mutually satisfying and enjoyable sexual experience. Often, individuals focus solely on their own needs, and they overlook the importance of preparing their partner's body and ensuring their satisfaction. For me, if my body doesn't feel loved, activated, or satisfied, the whole experience feels meaningless. Many of my female clients express similar concerns. They want to feel good, connected, and satisfied with their partners. So, remember, foreplay isn't just a step before intercourse. It's a crucial part of ensuring your partner feel loved, connected, and satisfied, leading to a stronger bond and more enjoyable experiences for both of you. You know, there's something magical about touch during foreplay. It's about exploring those parts of the body where some people are extra sensitive. For some, it's the ears, for others, the neck, back, breasts, or even the lower abdomen. There are so many areas to explore and touch with your partner during foreplay. So, don't underestimate the power of touch and exploration. How you treat them during intimacy, during those moments in bed, matters a lot. If you're treating them based on their desires, their needs, then your spouse will always stay attracted to you in the same way and will always be available for you. Remember to take care of yourself and your partner until we meet again in a new video discussing a new topic. Until then, take care.